Hi everybody, welcome back to the ShiftSetGo cooking class. We are going to make broccoli cheese bread today. And of course you all know about the new broccoli cheddar soup mix, which is delicious. For the ingredients on this one, there's 2 packages of the soup mix, 4 egg whites, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, basil, and the infamous garlic powder. So this bread would be delicious with our vegetarian chili. Add a little bit of jalapeno peppers for kick, and you're gonna have some yummy, fantastic bread. Ooh, it even smells good and it hasn't even started baking. Yes, tells you how good it is, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh, I'm liking it and I haven't even tasted it yet. Okay, so all you have to do is stir it up, pour it in the pan. How simple is that? Okay, so there you go, easy peasy. You bake it for 15 minutes at 350. So thank you very much for coming. You'll love it. It's delicious, as you can see, after it comes out of the oven. And please give us comments and tell us what you think. Have a great day.